Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be checking this little tie-dye dress out. It's completely mesh. It is completely see-through, as you can see. So this might actually be maybe a good beach cover-up of some sort. It is long sleeve. Oh good, it's super stretchy. Turtleneck, no zippers at all. It goes all the way down. On the bottom, I like that. There's like a little slit on the side. Actually, that will make it even shorter on both sides. I would say, yeah, this would be a really cute cover up for like a swimsuit or something. So let me go ahead and try it on. All right, so I got my bathing suit on underneath. And one thing I didn't realize is these sleeves. I love these sleeves so much, so dramatic. So effortlessly flamboyant. But yeah, these are super nice. The only thing is that these sleeves are a little bit on the snug side. So if you don't necessarily like that feeling, just FYI. Everything else is also super duper sheer. So I'm just gonna show you really quick. Over here, as you can see, super tight. Everything is like barely covering. So I would say definitely would be like a good summer cover up, or you could wear maybe, you know, like a cami or something inside. I mean, depends on how you like to, you know, express yourself and wear whatever. I personally would probably wear something inside and or make it as a cover up. However, because of how tight the sleeves are, I don't know if it would be the best type of cover up, because after you're sticky and in the ocean, it might be a little hard to get on. If you would like to purchase this dress, go ahead and check out the link below. And if you like product unboxings and openings, I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.